Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn math facts quickly. First, focus on understanding the underlying concepts of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Don't just memorize, grasp why the answers are what they are. Then, dedicate short, consistent practice sessions, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes each day. Finally, flashcards are incredibly effective for rapid recall and reinforcing those facts. Next, try breaking down larger problems. For example, to solve 8 times 7, you might think of it as 8 times 5 plus 8 times 2. Mnemonic devices, like rhymes or stories, can also significantly boost your memory. And remember, learning should be enjoyable. Incorporate interactive games or apps to make practice engaging and less like a chore. There are many fantastic online apps and websites specifically designed to help you practice math facts. Find one that suits your learning style and use it consistently. Also, ensure you have a quiet, dedicated study space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Finally, consider working with a friend or family member. Quizzing each other can be a powerful learning tool. Consistency is key to long-term retention. Make reviewing your math facts a daily habit, even for just a few minutes, to keep them fresh in your mind. Don't forget to celebrate your progress. No matter how small, positive reinforcement keeps you motivated. Also, for those interested in financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.